Dahil lang kita dapat magtaon ng mga riparo o tuyaw, kay puwang kita magtao sa banwaan nin paglaom. We should not just complain about the problems in our country. We should provide concrete alternatives and we should give hope.
Abang Mabulo, CLC member, married with 3 kids, now mayor of San Fernando, Camarines Sur.
I joined CLC in 1978 as a young college is looking for a group. I prefer then fraternity, but accidentally I joined the orientation in the CLC. Paano nangyari yun? Yeah, every organization is offering orientation, but my friends encouraged me to join them. But it was the CLC orientation with Father Phelan as the main speaker. Then I thought it was just purely a school organization that will end after college. But after college, I was invited by Stanley Lee to join the guides training. Then I slowly began to realize and piece together my experiences in the 4 years. That CLC is not just a school organization, but a way of life.
Seeing the poor and orphaned in his native Bicol, he established the Bicol Foundation in the 1980s, together with fellow CLC members, to help farmers form cooperatives and find alternative means of income. They even designed a formation program for Pagbicol's personnel to introduce them to a God whose ways are never unjust. Enlightened that the best way for him to effect change was to join government, he ran for councilor 2 elections past, with a platform rich in ideas, though poor in resources. With only the bulwark of prayer, he won. But the call to service did not stop there.
It is the role of the lay to work towards the change of the political system. So it's a big challenge.
The incumbent mayor who had helped many farmers was on his last term. Someone had to take his place. After consultations with his own CLC community and other friends in the CLC, Abang decided to run for the office. That call was his burning bush, on which from thence he never turned his back. He who knew that even politics should be holy ground. He who has taken off his sandals once before, finding God even in government. Today, Abang serves his people using the ways he learned from the Christian Life community. Economic plans are sometimes complemented by spiritual programs, because change from without comes only when change happens within. But it has not been easy.
The greatest burnout that can happen maybe to a person or to me is being burned out spiritually or emotionally. But I have my support of my community.
Abang Mabulo, Rory Valdelion, Lani Naniagas. 3 stories, 1 way of life. A trail blazed by Ignatius of Loyola they follow. A man for whom to live God's love and grace are enough. With these, a man who wanted to set the world on fire. But how can the world be a fire when there is no one there to light it? And how can one be there to light it when there is nobody to teach him how? And how can somebody be taught how when most seem glad to stay in shadows?
CLC is life. And I am a CLC member. It's there, incorporated in my whole life.
There's only one way to sell the CLC. That's to witness. And when people see prophets, people see witnesses, you don't need to sell. It will attract by itself. And that's good. I think, and to me, that is the gem of the CLC.
As long as I can walk and I can talk and I can think, I will continue giving retreats. I feel that this is the call for me now. See, this is my response to the call of the kingdom, to build the kingdom here on earth.